global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Something very dramatic happened in court this morning as Mazan decided to take full responsibility for his defense, and you're going to get to see a brief short clip of what he's got to say. And just a quick reminder, something unique happened, and I'm also going to tell you exactly what some prominent southwestern traditional leaders are saying concerning this Mazan's case, as a lot is at stake. And don't forget, very quickly, you're going to see some of the videos in a moment. If you check the environment of this video, discover that one or two of his legal counsel from the southeastern extraction were actually in court. If you think Mazan cannot defend himself, you may having some other thing. I think you should think again. Just as if he has one or two things in his list. Don't forget, if you check a playlist, you get to see the fact that he's ready to mention names that his legal team are tactically unable to, probably because of ethics of legal proceedings. They have decided not to, according to him, say they are afraid to mention, but he'll mention those names. And this not the southwestern leader is sending warnings signal to the politicians ahead of this drama that's unfolding. I'm going to allow you to watch a video in a moment, but court has actually adjourned Mazan Nnamdi case to 27th of October after he requested for time to get his case filed. Now, he even did not stop there. He went as far as mentioning, mentioning Constitution, the Act, and what the Constitution of Nigeria, where he got it from. He's reading. Now, Kanu said he could not open his defense because he couldn't open it today. And he gave his reason, because he has not been handed the case file for him to enable him to familiarize himself with its content. That case file will be gone. But let's watch the brief moment, the video, to see what he said before the judge adjourned the case to 27th of October. It was quite fireworks.
So that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a decision of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here. This is the law of Nigeria.
Hello. They tried everything they can to break us, but they can't break us. They cannot break us. We are unbreakable. We are unbreakable. Justice. We are unstoppable. And majority on self-recognition. Power. Power.
Welcome. Thank you. I will see that.
Yeah, guy, I cannot use my phone.
taking those guys to print. Yes.
Excuse me, please.
I will just go out there. Okay.
Where you go?
Let's take it so that the council
Yeah, they're giving them this. No, not.
Want to take 90?
How do you want to print these documents? So what's the issue again now?
We should prioritize this thing.
What is the issue?
It's what is on public hearing. I said, bandits having meeting in Kasina. Try with the AK-47. They didn't arrest anybody, and he's beating me. Why would that mess with this thing? Is it not on public hearing?
Okay, please.
You can keep using their hand.
Allow me. Leave their side.
Adams, outside.
We are used to this.
What's that?
Monica, we are proud of it. Where is the Dr. Mazan? We need to print things.
I don't know anywhere here. What do you want to print? So what do we need to print?
We want to print his documents. It's not me. Yes.
There's a printer here now. There's a printer here
Is
now.
there light?
That I don't know.
I want to hold the devil.
And we don't know when we go there.
Outside, when you just go out of the gate like this.
What is the bad, but we don't know now until they stand with babies. Monica,
There are this over there. There's a cafe. There's a cafe in this building. Same building here. Just behind. Yes, just this room.
I think they have completed their task for today.
Yes.
The police people.
They want to start. They will start another one.
Head. So
That's why I said
you just need to be very careful with them.
no point raising any other issue.
Let them go.
Let the issue come on its own.
On its own.
Let's finish with this one, then another one.
Let's just cash in on the situation now. Again, and today is Friday.
This Friday, that's just the thing.
Today is Friday, so you need to talk to that lawyer to leave that side. Just avoid him.
See, you can print there. Print at there.
I don't even know what we are used to that. They are making us more.
I don't know if they will allow him in. That's another problem. You know that this thing has been crazy. Okay, they said the printing is outside of court.
So that the mother is important to now.
They said Barrister Maxwell. That's Barrister Maxwell. The man on that afro. Thank you.
Where's the video?